Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unbox and review the Aglaia True Wireless Earbuds. In the box, you'll get a quick start guide, user manual, USB Type-C cable, replacement ear tip, and the Aglaia True Wireless Earbuds. We've all grown pretty used to the shape of wireless earbuds now. They generally come in two designs, either with stems or without. The Aglaia True Wireless Earbuds is in the latter camp, sporting 2 cm long arms that house the charging points for when they are in the case, plus microphones. The high-precision 10mm dynamic drivers deliver stunning sound with crisp treble, balanced mid-range, and deep bass. A single charge gives you a full 5 hours of listening, while the charging case extends that to 30 hours on the go. Fully charge the case in only 1.5 hours using USB Type-C fast charging or just under 3 hours with a wireless charger. Ergonomic design with 3 different sizes of soft silicone ear tips for a better wearing experience. Touch control, effortlessly manage audio playback and calls or access your phone's voice assistant with the multifunction touch button on each earbud. Either earbud can be used alone like a Bluetooth headset. The earbuds automatically turn on and connect with your phone when you open the charging case. Advanced Bluetooth 5.1 technology provides a fast and reliable connection. Thank you for watching my video. Please do give a like and subscribe.